Outstanding design defines the 2013 Dodge Durango. A 3.6-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 5-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, a roof rack, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.